Hello everyone. Today's I am discuss Samsung Galaxy M33 5G release in India. And how to watch live stream, price, specs. Several new Samsung phones are on their way to India. The South Korean electronics giant has been teasing us about the new Galaxy M series phones. Most recently, the company said that the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G will have a processor that is made in 5 nanometers. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G will be available shortly. The Samsung Galaxy M33 5G will be launched in India today at 12 o'clock IST, April 2. Midday. Live streaming available on company channels. To learn more about the new smartphone, Samsung and Amazon already have microsites. To find out when and where the new Galaxy M33 5G will be available, users can click the Notify Me button on Samsung's website. Indians pay a lot for the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G in terms of its value anticipated. The phone may cost 21,999 rupees for the lowest 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model. Specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. Samsung has already said that a few things about the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G are true. The phone is said to have a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The new Galaxy M33 5G will have a 6,000 mAh battery that can be charged at 25W, just like the older phones in the same line. More details click on below link. Like, share, and subscribe.